ati ovulation ikiisha utarudi tu normal. Unataka kuongea? Acha ni mute. Yes. Imeni. Taran. Niaje Ling. So guys, yeah. So Ling, kuna time fulani ulitakanga like ni ku-add kwa semeje? Ni ku-add kwa live. So jana nimejaribu like kuita multiple guests and ilikuwa successful. So yeah, next time ukikuwa kwa live na maybe unataka kushare something, unaweza tuma tu request, then you just share your ideas, you know. Yeah. Ini gani? Ijase uji kutuma request. Uliona balls. Acha like ijose, acha nitaku-add, sijui kama utakuwa sasa hadi time tutamaliza juu open is in the next 15 minutes. Kama my TikTok inasumbua ni sawa. Ama ijose like Ebu jaribu kutuma, alafu ama unataka kuingia, unataka kushare dile nini yako I mean chat yako. So leo guys, hii gap hapa, kama we ni trader wa hizi vitu unajua what happened huko. Net inasumbua. It's okay. So next time tutanishow. Yeah, next time tutanishow. Siwezi join bila kurequest. Oh yeah. Hadi mimi sijui like hizo vitu, but yesterday tulijaribu na someone. So yeah, right now tuliacha hii level. Yeah, nisharudi. US 100 na kwanga disadvantage ni gani? Ebu nishow disadvantage ukwanga gani? Disadvantage ni which? Yeah, nisharudi. So guys, leo tuko na nini? 15 minutes. So, guys, leo hakuna price action ya New York, ya London session. We are not having London. I guess inakwanga like same. Gambler. Yes. Yes. So someone called Maragwe Beans is commenting. Not same. Okay. But then I feel like price still prints. I mean, the price action, it prints the same. If you look at NQ, our Imini, it prints the same. So whatever US 100 is doing is printing. That's what Imini ES also. I mean, not Imini. NQ features. Yeah, I'm okay, bro. A guy chasing it. Why? What are you chasing? What are you chasing? Yeah, I'm good. Isharudi. Yeah, imerudi. Si ndo isharudi. Oh, like Odora amemtext ya isharudi. Imerudi saa ngapi na hoja communicate? Sisi tushaambiwa imerudi. We, niko na delayed data ya hii. Nani alikuwa anauliza? Walling. sini ilikuwa 7, mi niliona 7:30 kinda, ama ilikuwa 8:30. Silikuwa futures and options market will open at 7:30 a.m. Central Time. So Central Time na nini time si same. We'll be back at 8:30. Aya, link sijui kama ako. Link nataka like unionyeshe what you're saying. What you are saying. Sasa ndoi sasa NQZ. Nisho like to compare. So ulisema open. Let me check what you said. Enda kwa daily time frame. Tuna open alafu in the next. So ni haraka in the next two. Tuangalie. So daily time frame. Alafu. So what next after daily time frame? Nitakuangalia like I guess type to once alafu nitasoma then niangalia. Minimize your screen. It's okay. Nani soma to once. Hizi levels hata nimesahau. Acha ni remove zote. So chat ibaki hivyo clean. So the only level we having here on the daily ni hapa, hii level hapa. Nangojea, I'm waiting for link. So and by the way guys, if you're not from Kenya and you cannot understand the language I'm saying, how I'm talking, ama whatever I'm saying, just comment so that I change to the language that everyone can hear, you know. Yeah, something like that. And guys, like this live is all likes surely na tumeka hapa 30 minutes ndo tuko na hizo likes peke yake. Hiyo si poa, mnaona ni poa? So far nothing. So 1H alafu tuangalie hiyo new day opening up. So hii kitu mbona inanisumbua? Ad blocker manade itabidi nimetoa hiyo kitu. So chat ibaki. Sa 1H we singine hizi chats maze. Guys, leo ni Friday. Ama leo ni leo ni Friday. Oh my god. Today is on a Friday. Hii month iishe maze. Today is on a Friday. Crazy. Steamer. Sawa. Utanishow tu baadaye. So today is on a Friday and yo, what's up? Yeah, what's up? Lost boy, welcome. So far we don't have today's London sessions data, so if you want to trade New York, then you're trading blindly. Okay. We don't have London sessions data. It's like, man, 6 p.m. So 6. Hizi ndo gani eh? Majamaa, hizi ndo gani? Mnaona kitu? So guys, after we left this consolidation, tumekuwa na we had this expansion. Yeah, cooked. Mimi leo ni kuotea kwa umbali, not even touching. Yeah. Hii noma. We. So today I'm waiting for, is it Mr. K? Is it has he arrived? Yeah, you siguze. So Ekiru cooked. Ekiru ulikuwa umetrade nini sasa? Ekiru ulikuwa umetrade what? Ulikuwa umetrade ma what? Bueno jajaba, yeah. Huo mang'eny. But ako karibu kuja. Atakuwa zile za buy. Sijui ama leo baada atakuwa short, sell. Atakuwa zile za sell. Maze leo hakuna kutrade. Yeah, so unaona sasa hiyo mentality maze. Hiyo mentality. Like weka tu kwa hizi charts. Tape tu. Like sit on hands jana leo. Okay, hautakufa, you won't die. So accumulation ndo hii like ndo tunaiacha on 15 minutes. I think we'll buy. Okay, Ijose, maybe TAGF. If we not, we wait next week. Okay, I feel like if you want to trade today, just execute on a demo account. Ama ile pesa yenye na una feel like you can lose, just trade with it. But then your main account don't. Ama you wait cause the markets are nuts. So 15 minutes hadi sioni hata kitu. Plus guys, opening range gap, it's so minimal. Yeah, less than 50. Able create a channel ya psychology on Discord. I found out some inspiring talks by ST. I'd like to share. Nice. Kwani haikuangi like sijai creating. I feel like I normally have a channel called Psychology on Discord. So let me check. Yeah, tunaweza have a voice inaitwaje? Voice chat. So let me see. Hii kitu leo iko na nini ya surely. Yeah, iko yenyewe. Haiko. So acha ni rebrand moja. Oh, kuna fulani huko chini nataka kuiweka huko chini. So let me make this one so everyone can access it. So deep level. I'd love to share. Change permissions so public. Yeah, available to all members. So Yeah, so nimeiweka huko chini. So the thread that's written mindset psychology, so the deep level one. Yeah, so the deep level. So I was having surface level, then the deep level. Manieke zote. Yeah, so deep level. It's fine. So hapo. So nisha create. Cool bro. And nisha create. Ama oduor like unaweza niku add kwa nini? Okay, juu leo na miss feel like kama kuna anything yenye na like I'm interested in doing this market. So maybe kama tunaweza rant tu. Tuongee. Kama tunaweza ongea. 9:30 first presented favor lookup ndoi. First presented favor lookup, okay. So, by the yesterday guys, we had some amazing guest here. Alikuwa anaitwa Bucha. So the guy alikuwa anatushow some things to do with how is it called? Is it the dealing range or something range theory? Let me check. Candle range theory. Dealing range theory. Yeah, so he was talking about dealing range theory. So right now we've traded right above. You see above there, this level is called consequent encroachment of that daily fair value gap, okay? So the consequent encroachment of that daily fair value gap, we left it, and this candle we trade above it, trade back into which level is this now? Let me check. So there's the midpoint. So around the upper quadrant 75 level. Yeah, so no fair value gap. That means that we have to trade back into this. So 50% level consolidation, return into the discount level, took out these highs, boom. Don't chase anything. Don't chase. Real traders don't chase. Mtu request aje kuongea. Request, I guess. Yeah, so hata ni poa nani ame kuna request kuongea is the one to add us. I just said okay, acha nijaribu. And plus nani nimeona acha niweke hivyo, is the one to add us. So nataka tu ni add like what. So I guess nisha nini hivyo. So like mtu anataka kunini anaweza send sasa request, something like that. Yeah, so niliona like nani W simply, hata nimeona umeingia like ulikuwa na some insight on watu, yani multiple guests. So sijui venye jana Bucha alikuwa ame request, but mimi niliona tu alisend request. So sijui ni mimi ndo nafaa ni add ama like yeah. So no, unaona sasa mnafaa mtume hizo manini, then itakuja hapa. So mkituma hapa nitakuwa nimeona something like that. pia kiasi. So mtatuma tu hizo nini. So something I learned yesterday, so let me just utilize it now. So if this was a setup, then inside this fair value gap, once we close above the 25% level, where is it to invite? So tumetrade kwa just at the fair value price, yeah, then ndo imerudi. So fair value price tuko na hii new inaitwaje, first presented fair value gap. So you want to see if this level can hold this fair value gap. So hiyo fair value gap, acha nitawainvite baadaye. And also hapa tuko kwa discount, huko tuko kwa premium. So if this level can hold, we are watching. Five minutes iko na nini? True day opening gap iko huko chini. I mean new day opening gap. Price iko na gaps mingi. Minutes. Hizi ndo gani? Yeah, wagwan. You good? Since there's an inversion on 1 minute, do we consider it as a first presented fair value gap? Yeah, that's the one that I've marked. That's the first presented fair value gap. So we had this consolidation. So we tried trading back into it, and we can see that. So I don't want to see price take too much time below this 50% level, yeah, if you want to go higher. But if you want to trade lower, then of which sijui, but tuangalie. So this level, it has held. So your level imehold, so nice one. So the 25, okay, nimetoa hata hizo levels. Guys, nimelearn kitu ingine moto. Ina ni moto. So right now tukibreak above this level, yeah, tukibreak above this level, then next thing tunaangalia ni fair value gap. This fair value gap, okay? Once we break above this level, yeah, ina ni moto. Hii ni moto. Majama naambia hii mkijua hii ni moto. Na uongeze na hizo zako. Ai. Utakuwa umeweza. Hakuna mtu anaweza kuambia shit. So according to ST, tell us. So guys, nilikuwa nimesema nataka kuona hii level ikihold. Na ni kama inajaribu kuhold. Nawaambia ni bulanda. Nawaambia ni bulanda. Walai ikihold, na ndio imehold. Hii ni bulanda. alafu tumetrade huko juu kwa if fair value gap. Mazee ni tamu hii mkijua mtachizi. Walai na inaenda. Walai inaenda. We. Mazee majamaa nawaambia sasa tuangalie tu hii high na hii level hapa. So hii rejection block na hiyo high. Mazee ni tamu. Aya sasa hii level juu tumetrade kwa premium ya hii level. So tuna expect hapa kuna fair value gap. Hii fair value gap imeachwa hapa chini majamaa. Then hii hapa i-close tu hapa itupay fair value gap. We. Nawaambia hii ni bulanda majamaa. Hii mtapenda. Hey. Walai inafanya vitu nasema. Sasa hii hapa kama like hata isikuje huku chini, hata tutaki ingia hata huku chini, ifanye tu iende. Tuangalie hii alafu hii. Ni kama tu hii market in as much as ni crazy but mazee hii kitu nilikuwa nimelearn si ya kila mtu. They should not be placed at the hands of just anyone. Hii ni moto. Adhere, semaje? After price breaks, it will act as a breaker which will force the price to move higher. That's ICT 2016. Ijose. So above here this I can't share carelessly. So right now because it has rejected that level, so we expect some candles to misbehave around this level. So they can now misbehave because of this candle. So because it has done that, we expect for it to start doing something like this. Stall kiasi and then here di mabanks to zitanitafuta. So it has traded back into this IFVG and also this fair value gap, you see. So if it can close above, if it can close above this level, then we can trust it. But if we close upper place in a close here, no mama zebulanda. But then guys, know that today might be high resistance liquidity run day. Don't panic. Na isikuwe ati mko kwa hizi moves. Na isikuwe una follow vitu nasema. What are you teaching? I'm not teaching anything. I know nothing. So because of this, that's expected. Okay, so this level, let's tap. After that, tap on my value gap. I will buy with demo. Only me. White Wolf, unasema nini? Nasikia tu ukicheck. What are you teaching? Guys, I'm not teaching anything. We are just analyzing these markets. So I say that I want to see this market stall. So because of this, we expect some return back into this first presented fair value gap. It's also an IFVG. So if you draw it forward, so we passed through it, ilijaribu, failed, this is a failure swing, trade right above it, return, So this low, high, lower, low. There's like a mitigation block on a 1 minute time frame, okay? Looks like the same price action here Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's see. Wait, price action here Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I guess ni zile zenye zilikuwa zimetuchop. Zilikuwa zimetuua. Yeah, so it has traded deeper into. Okay, so guys, wale wenye so so I saw the likes of Kinas Jinani. What I'm simply doing is, let me see. What I'm simply saying is that we're having premium, we're having discount. So there's the dealing range. This low, this high. So we took out these lows, this low. We took out these highs, this high. So that's my dealing range. So immediately we traded above this level. Yeah, we traded into the fair value price. That's the equilibrium. So immediately we did that. We have to. So we trade back into the. So if you take this level, this low to this high, the midpoint is here. So hii quadrant ya chini unaona iko na premium na discount yake. So once we trade there, imerudi tena kwa discount ya hii lower quadrant, and then ndio ika push forward above the 50% alafu 75% level kizungu. Yeah, so trade it, just look for 75% level. So mimi like I knew, nilikuwa nasema ama maybe sikuwa nasema, but kama ulikuwa umesikia, because it has done this, so we expect for it to stall. Yeah, so because it did this, so it traded around this level, and then your body close. Yeah, this body close, because ilifanya hivyo, so I expected for it to stall around this level. Ndio hiyo imerudi tena kwa discount below 50%, and then now imetoka sasa hii level. Yeah, so tunataka tuone kama inaweza pita hii level itupe fair value gap hapa. Hizo ndo vitu naangalia majamaa. So mtu aseme unasema nini? Hizo ndo nishasema. If you don't get it, forget about it. From the first presented fair value gap, we got chopped. But then you see, so we're having this low. So body closed just inside this first presented fair value gap. And right now it's misbehaving there. Inafanya hizo vitu zake. So guys, hii ni high resistance liquidity run day. So adi until 10. Tunaona black na white. Ama ni simu yangu ndo mbaya. Black na white. What? Evo kako na mwenye pia naona black and white aseme. Black na white. Is there anyone also seeing Z? Ni simu yako ndo mbaya. It's just okay, yeah. Simu yako link. By the way, guys, it's not like I've told anyone to execute, okay? We are just reading price. So we started. We wanted to see this level hold, yeah? It did that, nice. Traded here into this fair value gap. We saw that reaction, nice. Trade back into this level, and also the bodies remain at the first presented fair value gap, nice. So right now we are trading still inside this fair value gap. And mark you guys, remember, yeah, high resistance liquidity run day. So on high resistance liquidity run days, so expect such things. So the price cannot be it won't deliver hizo masa unataka, you know, lazima kuchenge. And and also it might just as well just trade lower. Unaona pia like ikifanya fanya hivi ikileta kichwa kwenda juu, yeah, kama ita create higher prices, it might as well just trade lower. But then for it to trade lower, then we have to wait for more information. So remember, huku chini like around this price still tuko kwa discount. Huku chini ni discount, hapa juu ni premium. So tena ikirudi kwa discount, so ikirudi tena kwa discount, majamaa, hiyo ni bulanda. Bulanda hii ya leo itachenga wengi, we nani Golden Peace leo jaingia. Golden Peace anakwanga like ule mse aggressive, unapatanga like move kama hizi at times alikuwa shaingia. Nata Lost Boy pia. Lost Boy wepi hujaingia. T-Trades long time. Ekiru niliona ulikuwa ushamaliza, ulikuwa ushaua manini. Yeah. How you boss? Yeah, so still around the 50% level, nimetulia to waiting for a sign. Bad on hands, nice. So around the 50%, okay. Right now tuko na hii dealing range. How is it today? My friend, it's choppy. So right now, guys, we are from this level. So once we left this, we trade above the 50% level. So here, so we expect this consolidation. But then once we leave it, then these levels will be the next target. This rejection block, and finally this high. Yeah. So this is something that's accepted. We mbona una copy jina link? Naitwa Ling. So he's called Ling. You are called Ling. Always hit at 9:30, remember? Always hit at 9:30. What's that? So guys, right now we've traded back into this level. So let me show you guys something. Bullish. So 50% level. So huku chini ni discount. Below this level is discount, this is premium. Yeah. So if we can leave this premium, then we push higher. Trade above this level. So you see this high. Once we take it out with speed, distance, gives us a fair value gap. Not necessarily speed and distance, because it might be high resistance kinda. But then if we can trade above this level and it gives us a fair value gap, then we won't panic. We won't consider it trading lower into the 50% level again. So in as much as ni choppy, high resistance. So guys, high resistance liquidity run simply means it won't go to your target the way you want, at much faster the way you want it to go. Yeah, so it has to stall around, it has to do such, give you this headache. Yeah, so it has to give you this headache. Headache. It has to give you headache. So yeah, choppy price action, choppy. So we're having this low and this low, so relatively equal. Let me just zoom. Oh, it took out this low, so we already took out this low, but then still we can say they are still relatively equal. Yeah, so the lowest low is just still. Show me your ways. So Link was saying it's bullish. Link was saying it's bullish. So it's like this level, it doesn't want to break above this level. So guys, below here we're having these relatively equal lows, nice. Above here we're having these relatively equal highs, nice. Yeah. So majama, huku chini ni bulanda. Yeah, so you see around this, the midpoint here. So we don't want to see it close below huku chini. So nilisema if it closes down here, then that's bulanda. Hiyo itakuwa imebant. Hakuna water bottle, ndio hii hapa. So ina close, ija close. So midpoint, consequent encroachment. So Link, kumbe we ni Mkenya. I thought we ni mtu na struggle na kizungu. I'm struggling with kizungu, with English. English is not our mother tongue. Don't trade today, man. That's an advice. Yeah, thank you. Pair US 100. US 100. Laugh cry ni challenge. Inaendelea huko ama. Oh shit. Uje like jana ama juzi. So I kept seeing watu waki-comment life cry. So I almost thought ni typo ya nini ya live, like mtu kama anacheka na anaweka emoji za kulia. Will you trade though? No. So it's a challenge ama nini? So I almost thought it's a what? It's a glitch. It's a glitch on. So the fact that, guys, it has not traded, it has not closed, this candle has not closed below this consequent encroachment. So that's good news. So right now, if we can, so we took out these relatively equal lows, and also we're having these relatively equal highs. Yeah. So once we take out one side of liquidity, we go, okay, how to clear entry. Once we take out that, we also have these relatively equal highs, and also this high here. So if we can take out these highs with speed, distance, give us a fair value gap around this level. Yeah, give us a fair value gap, then and only then we won't expect for it to trade back below, back into these levels again. We're also considering time. Yeah, time. 10:10, 9:50, 10:10. So we've not had anything interesting. 9:50, 10:10. Nothing really. Just choppy price action. Okay, we don't have any clear entry. Yeah, don't. Or let's say you went long here your stop should be huku chini. If you went short here, your stop should be huku juu. Yeah, so that's one characteristic of trading high resistance liquidity runs. So let's say, because I wanted to see this level hold, so if I was to go long, then my stop my stop could have been huku chini, going mosque maze since 9:30 imeletewa 17:30 ni kuteseka maze. Yeah, enda sali jo, inshallah. Yeah, inshallah. So guys, also we see this. So let's just read price, okay? Price action. So you see this after we took out these lows, this one here, yeah. So this one here now becomes an order block. Yeah, tuombe tusiblow accounts kwa wale wenye wanataka kublow. So this one is an order block. Yeah. So order block, trade back into this order block. So the reason why trade here, this level, this is an order block. Down close candle, took out this relatively equal lows. Fair value gap, boom. First presented fair value gap, boom. Next draw ni huku juu. Can it give us that? So we are just studying price. Yeah, so the market is our boss. Whatever we are saying, that's our own opinion. So the market doesn't give a rat's posterior about your opinions, about your analysis. So it will do whatever you want to do. Okay, so we're just watching. There's an order block, fair value gap, return into the order block. Okay, reject higher. This level here, first presented fair value gap, still having this fair value gap here. Took out these lows. We don't want to see it close huku chini. So if it closes below huku chini, majama hiyo ni bulanda. So again guys, the reason why this week traded here, just look. Yeah, so we cut through candles. What's wrong today with this? So guys, what's that? Hiyo ni nini? Yeah, what's that? Let me change the color. Guys, what's that? You can just comment. If you know what this is. So that's the reason why it traded lower, below this level again. Yeah, so if you know the meaning of that, volume imbalance, nice. Yeah, so it traded back into this volume imbalance. Yeah, so I want to see it. Okay, if it can trade here again, I don't want to see it close huku chini. So if it fails to close below huku, are we expecting a sell? We don't know. Guys, we know nothing, okay? But we are just watching, because right now the only levels that are holding price is this fair value gap and this one. So we are inside this range, so it's not doing anything. It doesn't want to trade lower, it doesn't want to trade higher, so it keeps on stalling around this level. Why? Because it's a high resistance liquidity run day. So we don't want to see it trade and close. This is a body close. We don't want to see it close below this fair value gap. Yeah, we don't want to see it close below this fair value gap. If you want to trade, take out these highs and also this high. But if we are going to take out this high, then it needs to trade with speed, give us a fair value gap around this level. I think we're gonna sell. Still okay. Since we are on resistance and 4H, already confirmed that. Nice. Yeah, still we'll just change our bias. I mean, it's fine. So what we don't want to see is price close below this level. So any candle close below this line, yeah, any candle close below this line, then that's That's bulanda. Nakwambia na nini bulanda. Yeah, and also if it wants to sell, then it should not leave this high. Yeah, so you see this high and this high, it should not leave it. And once it takes it out, if it's not if it wants to tell us that it's not going to trade huku chini tena, then what it needs to do is it needs to give us a fair value gap here. So if it again does something like this, takes it out, fails to take out that, then we'll still expect for it to pull deeper. You're speaking Sheshona. What's that? So we want to see fair value gaps here, and then the next target is that rejection block. There's rejection block and that buy side liquidity. So that's what I want to see price do, in as much as it's a high resistance liquidity run day. But then if it can do that for me, then my friend, I'll run for my dear life. I'll dance for you guys. If it does that, then I'll dance for you guys. Today I want to dance. I want to dance. So guys, so let me show you something, guys. So now what happens is we've now traded above this. You see these highs, we've traded above it, and okay, I'm just guessing, okay? So whatever I'm doing, this guesswork. So don't worry. Don't copy me. Whatever I'm saying, this is not a financial advice. So if I tell you to do something, don't do it, because the market will not do what I'm saying. So what I was saying is, if it's to sell, then this high should not be taken out. And guys, if it cannot, we want to see this level stay unfilled. Yeah, so I want to see this level here. You see this level stay unfilled. So this price should not trade here, and may it give us a fair value gap here when we take out this high. Yeah, let it give us a fair value gap the way I was saying. So I want to see fair value gap. So let me just type fair value gap, FVG, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. So give me a fair value gap here, yeah, or an order block. So give me a fair value gap or trade higher, give me a down close candle, and then continue higher. So that order block or that fair value gap, I'll really appreciate. So if it does that, then guys, I'm going to dance. So like this live, tap the screen. Nasikia watu wakisemanga tap 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 tap. But then guys, remember, I've not executed anything and I'm not advising you to do anything. Yeah, so don't follow whatever I'm saying. Mimi ni mwenda wazimu, so don't follow whatever I'm saying. So we've taken out this, and also we took out this. So right now, what do we have? Let me just check something small. So I need to mark my levels, okay? So I need to mark my levels. Nice. So yeah, so I don't want to see it trade huku chini. So I want is so we traded there, so failed. So that's nice. So there's level here. We want to see this unfilled, stay unfilled. But then let us give us this fair value gap. So we don't want to you don't want to see this price trade huku chini, so this one stay unfilled. Yeah, and give us this fair value gap. So give us a fair value gap, small fair value gap on top of breakaway. Yeah, so yeah, this one, this fair value gap on top of breakaway. So this is the one that I'm saying. Yeah, so immediately I saw this, then these longs were valid for me. So the next level is this. And also what it has done here around this level, so it did this. Yeah, delivered higher, opened, did that, and then opened, delivered lower. So this was perfect. So this one, the reason why when it was trading down here, I said I want to see it, I don't want to see it trade upper. So this one here, this level now should hold price. So if we close above it, so I want to see a fair value gap hapa kwanza. Okay, so this fair value gap, so give me a fair value gap hapa, then nitakuwa sawa. So this down, so I said if it's going to give us something like this high, then fail to give us this, then I still expect for it now to trade huku chini. But my faith is on this. My faith is on this. So I want to see, or if you don't want to give me a fair value gap upper, then just give me an order block. Order block mtu anaoga. Wait, tunasoma price, tuna read price. So fair value gap, just give me that fair value gap, and then hii leo ni ngumu, hii ni ngumu. So mjue kama tunaweza toa hii rejection block na hii high before 10:30, then wale watu wa kushort tunawakujia, it will be your turn 29:30. Yeah, so hii candle hapa, so nataka uclose. Yeah, ishatoa hii high, si ndio? So the fact that tumetoa hii high, so again let me now check my levels. Nice. So remember guys, itakuwa live till, yeah, mi niko till 10, itakuwa live till 10 yote nakuanga tu live till nini, nakuanga tu hii AM session. So PM session hizo za 10 wana trade peke yangu, unless unataka kunilipa tu trade pamoja. So kama kuna mwenye anataka kulipa tu trade pamoja PM session, siwezi kataa pesa. So guys, it has not given us that fair value gap tulikuwa tunataka. So don't crucify me. So I just said if it can give me a fair value gap here, then it should not trade huko chini. So the fact that it has not given me a fair value gap, so this is allowed. It's allowed. So we've taken out this high now. So I was saying, so I didn't niliandika hapa fair value gap. No. Again, let me check now. I'm in cells with small position. Targeting 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Okay guys, since you guys have been with me up and down kidogo tu, so you know that for me to validate my shots, I have to wait for time. Uko in any trades? No. Siko kwa any trade. So I have to wait for time. So time. So let's look at the 5 minutes kwanza. So until this candle closes, that's when I can now start talking about shorts. But for now, in backward maze. How can you trade inside this? How? Lost boy, how? 25 to 30. Uko chini. Anyway, tunakuombea. Three minutes. Oh, what did you see? Mind sharing, you know. So yeah, we took out that high. Nice. So until this time, up on the like, yeah. So I have to wait for 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes candle to close first. 3 minutes candle. So there's candle to close. There's candle here. Ten. Promising. Price respected the CEO of the previous 4H week. Okay, nice. So we've tried back into this EO fair value gap and also this first presented fair value gap. So remember guys, no fair value gap. So I'm just waiting for time. And guys, always remember, okay, so be in a series, so always remember, any other day apart from days kama leo, so if price breaks 3 PDRIs, so we're having this order block, we're having this IFVG, and then we're having this fair value gap. Once you may break hivyo, hizo nini haziko valid tena. So 10:30 in the next 1 minute. But still remember, it has to close below ukundo nianze consider. It has to close below this level here. There's this fair value gap. Yeah, so 1 minute waiting, alafu ndo sasa tuanze consider. Waiting. At 10:30. So now we start looking for price. What price is now doing? Okay, so 10:30 we again start looking for what price has been doing. So hapa ndo most of the time utakuwa naanza kuchange like ten. Guys, nimechizi. Usifollow vitu nafanya. Don't. What are these? Don't copy my style of doing things. Don't copy my style. Utalemewa. Na upigwe shock. Pigwe na butwa. Nikiangalia kwa 15 minutes price to body closes zinabaki wapi? Uko juu, wicks zinabaki hapa. So hii level. Okay. Mazeni bulanda. Nothing really. Today is tough. So guys, any backward, just keep off. Maze. So guys, if it was any other day, okay, so apart from today, if it were any other day apart from today, so E level imepotea. So I said I don't want to see it close below happy. Chanto hizi levels. So kuna level moja imepotea hapa. So has it closed below it? So let me check. Has it closed below the consequent encroachment of that? Has it? No. So look at the close, okay? So we've closed slightly around the consequent encroachment. So yeah, that's good. So if I was to go short, then guys, this level I expected for it to leave it unfilled. Maze itachenga wengi. So now the market is on a leash. It's on a leash. So now let's do this, okay? So this level may hold nice, okay? So can it do what? Can it push above this price? You guys, isn't the level bado in a hold price? So there's a balance price. One candle to the downside, one candle to the upside. So this level, this price is balanced. So we don't want to see price trade hapa chini. Then give me a fair value gap now, or not a fair value gap, an order block if you want to go higher, and also fair value gap around this. So E level, kumbuka, ni that upper quadrant level. Yeah, that upper quadrant level. So can we trade above this and close above this price level? If not, then we'll trade this as that protraction model, that protraction. Yeah, so your protraction 5 minutes inafanya nini? Maze, saa ingine ni ngumu, but then tuangalie, does it have the wherewithal? Hii kama we ni newbie like uwezani maze. Yeah, so angalia to 15 minutes candles. 15 minutes candles, like maze, la vida loca. It's crazy, man. Crazy. So now if we close above, so what I was trying to say is that now we're going to trust this 15 minutes order block. There's now going to be an order block once we close above it, and on the 5 minutes, or not really 5 minutes, on 1 minute, if it can give us a fair value gap, uko Joe, and we also close above this. Saa ingine ni ngumu. Not good. Still itarudi. So easy weeks, like easy weeks around your level, like hapo tu ndo shida iko hapo. Lost boy, hadi kwa sasa unaisikia aje? So can it close below this level? So below it first presented fair value gap now. So easy signatures. So the first one may reject, so it does not close below the consequent encroachment, just waiting. Yeah, so stops uko juu. So can you give us a close huku chini? Close below. Then if it closes below now, we now don't want to see this level get traded into. Yeah, so now we are trading past time. Hiyo time yangu ndo hii hapa. Acha ni mark nimekubwa. Haiwezi close below bado. Nice. So ni bulanda maze, ni bulanda. Oops. So hii kitu haitaki ni wadansie. Je, ningewadansia leo. Ni wadance kanungo. Ni wadansie kanungo. 640. Super Asian session. Yeah. Okay, so this fair value gap, it has held price. So signs of a strong fair value gap if we close above the consequent encroachment. So can it now push price higher? Are we going to trade below this level now? So right now we are having so what price did, we had this low, this high and this low. So we did that, create a new low, took out that low, this smooth level, took it out, and then create a new relatively equal highs, and also this old high, we took it out. Okay, so right now after taking out this high, we return back into the deeper discount level. Failed to trade below this the midpoint of this. Okay, so we have price. So right now it has done this. Okay, all of this level fair value gap, it's promising. All candles are staying above the consequent encroachment of this. Yeah, so can we now take out these highs and give us a fair value gap here or an order block? So that's the only thing we are waiting for, and then the rest of the moves we won't care about. The rest of the moves. So it's now promising. We are now trading above this level. So guys, if we can give us now a fair value gap here, fair value gap or an order block, but then I want to see a fair value gap. So again, it's giving us one of the weakest PDRAs and also one of the strongest. So guys, if you guys know that volume imbalances are simply one of the weakest ICT PDRAs, or also can also be one of the strongest ICT PDRAs. So if you guys don't know that, crazy. So acha tuangalie 5 minutes. Badija close. One of the weakest and also one of the strongest. Bro, how are you trading today with the currency and situation? I have inside, I'm trading inside information. I have an inside guy, so he's providing me with liquidity to trade today. So that this level here, so yes, the wicks can do the damage. Wicks can do the damage. Wicks can purge deeper, but then we need, are you the market maker? So this is what was attracting price. So now we want to see it close higher. So right, let me look at the 5 minutes now. So maybe 5 minutes, we are still below this level. So guys, crazy man, crazy. Uh-huh. 3 minutes. It's a barcode. Yeah, I'm the market maker. Ay. Doro unanichocha. So guys, so for 3 minutes guys, price imestay tu kwa below. Yeah, so this was nice. So I made trade kwa 25% level, and then we saw that was good. Hiyo ndo kina nani waliona Lost Boy. Are you guys seeing anything? Now after we've done this, so we want to see big runs, okay? Big runs. Speed, distance, take out this. So guys, angalia time. But then I feel like today the market is not even respecting time. It's not going to respect your time. But then let's wait for 3 minutes. So large range candles now push toward this level, give me fair value gaps that I wanted, and close above this range, this level. So if you can do that, then I'll be dancing today. I'll be dancing. I'll be dancing. So I feel like, you see the way this level is sensitive. Hiyo candle inakuja tu hivi, boom. So the next candle should just open, maybe just trade deeper into this and then reject, or just go higher. Speed, distance. Yeah. Guys, just be patient, just be patient. So good things come to those guys who are patient. Good things come to those guys who are patient. So can you close above this level? Can you close above this shaded level? So we are waiting. So can it close above? So 1 minute. So guys, 1 minute. So guys, 1 minute. So can you now give us a fair value gap here? Okay, so what I'm simply trying to show you guys is that if price can deliver, so you see this level, this blue line here, yeah, yeah, so this blue line, I just want to see a fair value gap. This is nice, this is nice, this is nice. And there we go. Now don't trade into, now just give me a fair value gap. So right now we've traded above that level. Now this next candle, just give me a fair value gap, and don't even bother coming here, just go higher, give me this fair value gap, and then that will be all, maze. Yeah, I've really prepared to dance today. Yeah, and you guys want to see me dance live. Niko na moves mastingona piga muno niki odijo. Yeah, just get out, nani, lost boy. Yeah, so this level, one of the strongest and also the weakest. So but then if you know how to use it, then that's great. We trade above fair value gap, boom boom boom, game over, game over, maze, game over. 1050, 1110. So we take out any, we're going for any liquidity above or below price. So right now, where's price drawing liquidity to the buy side? So right now, this breaker block, so we've traded into that breaker block. So the next one here, so the way because it has wicked just around this breaker block, you see that wick, okay, so we expect something like this. So let it trade back into this fair value gap now, if it can do that, if it can do that. So those guys were saying these ICT concepts don't work. Kuna any other concept huko nje inaweza highlight price hivi? So I still expect for it to, it may prepare 10 another fair value gap here. So if it can trade back into this fair value gap before taking out this high, then that will be good. Mastingona piga munok niki odijo. So let me look at nice one. We've really suffered in your hands today, Nasdaq. We've really suffered in your hands. And guys, after this, I just want to eat nyama. Yeah, so we closed higher in the 15 minutes, and then we use this as a order block. So let me show you guys. We closed higher. Nyama mbichi. Odwar na kuona. Sikuoni vizuri. We traded higher. Order block, return, boom. Nice. nyama like nyama, food, sio food ingine, food. Lakini sijuangi mbona like traders wanakuanga honey souls. Ebu ona the likes of kina Udur. I guess wana spendingi time mingi kwa screen to the point that ufikiriangi hata hizo stories zingine, you know. So nice. So after imefanya hivyo, so tuangalie kwa daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame bado tuko kwa hii level gani? So let me show you guys kidogo tu. Yes, I'm expanding. Napanua hii chart. Honey and single. Yeah. By the traders like utapata before like wakwe profitable. Inakuanga tu most of them they are normally single. Cause charts siwezi kusumbua huko na mtu atakuambia sijui hujamuongelesha tangu asubuhi. Wewe umekuwa kwa hizi markets, umeona venye market imekuwa ikinini kisumbua. Mazeso inakuanga bulanda like kuongeza trading na mapenzi. Utachizi unless upate dem like anakuelewa, so anakupea time yako. Trading is very lonely journey, especially when you are still making your way up. True. So lonely. Yeah, na wezi taka like kumix, kuleta like maybe kama like ulianza kudate before ujue trading, then yeah, just push maze, provided uko na mse ako understanding, you know. Juu si kila dem atakuwa nakuelewa. Yeah, juu utakuwa na spend most time yako mingi kwa hizi charts na atakuwa na feel tu ni kama unamuignore. Today is a bank holiday rada. Tuko sawa sisi. Tuko sawa. So ladies in the house, mnyakuya wakina Odeko Duar, kina Lost Boy, kina Ikiru. Trading ikijipa wata spoil, you know. Don't sleep on if you have any trader friend, in as much as anakula losses. Today is bank holiday. So 5 minutes kuna fair value gap hapa. So still ijatoa hii high ama imeitoa sijui. 3 minutes. Acha nitoe level. No, sio. So ni kama imetoa hiyo level, but then ije run completely. So guys, mimi nilitoa zile vitu za kunisomea price hapa juu, so haijatoa. Nice, thank you Lost Boy. So the fact that haijatoa inarudia nini huko? If a value gap, yeah, and also tuangalie. So guys, so hii hapa ni siri. Okay, acha niwaambie siri. So hii ni siri. Mnataka siri? Guys, mnapenda tu moshene. So if you have a look up kwa 3 minutes, there's this level here and also this level. So we should not close below huku chini. So ina draw deep lower, ndo pate hiyo momentum ya kupush higher into this. Ama kama like haitataka kuitoa, then turudi huku chini of which still ikirudi huko chini I don't want to see it close below this one here. Ama kirudi, so kuangalia kwa 15 minutes, so below huko chini kuko na hii order block. Unaona hii order block na chini yake inaishia hapa, so hii order block tuna expect whole price still irudi huko juu. Hii level ita hold. Yeah, so kuna wale wenye wamejua like mbona ita hold, washaona breaker block mahali. Si lazima niwaonyeshe kila kitu. So kwa mtu mwingine like hii hapa maybe ingekuwa entry yake kwa mtu mwingine tu. But then these markets crazy. And also we still trading around the upper quadrant of that daily fair value gap. So we are in the upper quadrant, and as we were doing that gave us this fair value gap. So there's something that's promising, okay? So we're only coming lower to go higher and fill this gap completely if it wants to do that. So that's something that should have done yesterday, or not yesterday, on Wednesday. So hii price imekuwa too crazy leo yote tu yani. But then guys, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not telling you to execute anything. This is not a financial advice. This is not. Thank you simply. Ni simply amekuwa kilike maze. Acha mwenye ameshinda kilike na mfollow. Na nani tena? Na follow. Acha nione tena mwenye amekuwa kilike. Napiga mono nikiolija. So the likes of kina Ekeru tumekuwa nao hapa for long. Lost boy. Acha na follow accounts zenye najua zimekwanga huko. Duer nishai follow. So we trade back there into that. So let's do this, okay? So let's do this. So that level, that high, we have to take it out, and this level, this high here. So this one, there. So that's my draw. My draw of liquidity. So that level has held price. Nice one. So if you guys see a fair value gap and the first draw into that fair value gap, we see a rejection higher above the midpoint, then just know that it's a valid BC. It's a valid BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficient fair value gap, type of a fair value gap. So something like that. Yes, imepump. Alright. But then yes pia tu imesumbua tu hivyo. But then yes ijasumbua sana venye NQ imesumbua. Yeah, so imetoa hizi laws. Nice. Yeah, so yes huwa inatangulianga. So yes imetangulia, so NQ inaifuata. So that level that you are marking ko juu. So can it give us now a fair value gap hapa? A fair value gap or an order block? So guys, nani sasa na doubt? And by the beans, you are calling us gamblers. So, yeah, so yes, imepump. So I'm watching this level, and also look at 4H, guys. 4H. Huku juu tuko na nini? Majama, hii ni bulanda. Nawambia hii ni bulanda. OIM has gone high and is consolidating. That index is usually crazy. Yeah, next week. Guys, so this level that I marked, it's just close to that level, that fair value gap high. So we are having this 4H fair value gap. So these were wanted for Wednesday's price to draw to. Yeah. So these were Wednesday's price was to draw to, but then Wednesday we had that, Thursday we had what we had on Thursday, and then today some technical errors, and yeah, so lost boy. Yeah, see you next week. So this level, this fair value gap. So there's what's drawing price. And guys, today you might be surprised that we are going to have a high range day. Like leo tunaweza kuwa na volume ingine kubwa sana. Yeah. So today something like that might happen. We might have a really large range day. I'm just saying. Don't crucify me. I'm just saying. So let me now remove these gaps. This one. And also these ones. So large range day, most probably. Because yesterday, okay guys, it's true we are going to have a large range day. So if you are long, maze just hold. So ina inasema, because on Thursday we had an insider day. So hii hapa kama ujui. So once guys, what happens once you have an insider day ama inside day? So insider day is simply a day that we failed to take out any previous days high or low. So we just range there. So once we have that, then the next day after this insider day, we are going to have a really larger range. So guys, acha nisipayukwe. This is not a financial advice, guys. This is not a financial advice. But then just know that today, just like I'm saying, we might have one of the biggest moves you've never seen. I'm just saying. So yesterday was an inside day. So after inside days, guys, the days that the following day, the following trading day is normally a large range day. So you see, so let's say these are our daily candle. So let me show you what I mean by insider days. Inside days. So they're not normally many, but then once we have them, it's normally crazy. Mbona sioni? Yeah, so a day like this. So a day like this, we had this was an inside day. And then the next day we had this candle. So tuangalie your range. We had that, then isiku 560 points. Another insider day. Yangu hazikwangi mingi, but then so that's why si kila mtu anazijuanga. Yeah, so this day, so we had this inside day, so we failed to take out this low, and then the next trading day, what happened? See these large ranges, so that's an insider day. And also this day, this low, this high, we failed to take it out. The next day, that big candle. So this day also, these candles low, these candles high, we failed to take any of the liquidity. So inside day, big ranges. So today, something like that. Bucha ni aje. So yesterday we had an inside day. So today might be crazy, maze. Unaweza kuwa surprised tukienda siji wapi. New week opening gap to daily fair value gap. That TJF. I guess TJF tu ni kama tutangojea PM session. Yeah. So by the bucha sijui kama umerealize in the next 10. By the bucha sijui kama umerealize like most of the time siku hizi. So kuna was it there's a certain friend of mine alikuwa ameniambia something to do with TGIF. At ICT said TGIF normally takes place during the PM session, and that I've confirmed each and every single Friday that I've been in these markets. So most people normally expect for TGIF on Friday during the AM session, but then it has never happened. Yeah, so most of the time. So it normally just takes place once in a while, kitu kama hiyo. The next 50 years. Oh, umerequest. So kidogo tu.
Ushajoin?
Mnaona
Unanisikia? So naona kusho TJF ni kweli. ICT alisema ni PM session.
PM session.
Yeah. But kwa forex at time inaweza kuja bit earlier.
Okay.
Kama Thursday imeachieve a very very key objective on Thursday New York session.
Okay.
Yeah. So ya leo unacheki unaona kuna nogeko juu yetu, sio? Kwa daily. Najua niko a bit ambitious but kiplani ningetaka tuifikie to sell from it to daily travel lugha penye iko chini yetu.
Okay, hii yenye tuna invert saizi.
Zizi bwana kwa daily.
Ama kuna ingine?
Kwa daily kuna hapo mali hiyo line ya red imepi.
Yeah, nishaiona.
Hiyo sasa if I was to be a seller ningesell towards that one.
Okay.
In the premise of unajua sasa nafikiria TJF so tu yoga hivyo tu.
Yeah, so tuko na hii new week opening ngapi?
Yeah, hiyo.
Okay. So still tutaona venye sasa like ita react nayo juu right now kitu kitu tutakuwa tuna consider saizi ni tukichora hizo quadrants za hii new week opening gap sasa. Juu hii ndio kitu tutakuwa tunakuja kudeal nayo maybe during the PM session. Yeah, so tutaangalia venye ina react na hizi quadrants. So hii level hapa pia kuna 4H fair value gap. So tutaangalia around the 25% quadrant percentile level, like what it will do. Then from there tutajudge going forward. So kama tutakuwa na hiyo TGIF, but I like this level hapa for now. Sijui unaonaje? Shatoka. Shatoka. So kina nani? So ikifika guys, ni kama itupe hiyo level. So right now the fact that imefanya hizo vitu, this fair value gap, yes, hold, but then taken out that. So easy pullbacks, like ni blanda. Hizi ni bulanda. Hizo ni bulanda. Kwa 5 minutes na nini? 5 minutes tuko na hii fair value. So kidogo tuangalia ni 5 minutes fair value gap. Tuone kama ita reject ama ita close below. But I'm hopeful ita respect. Not good. 15 minutes. 15 minutes iko smooth. Alafu tuko na fair value gap hapa chini ya 15 minutes. So saa ingine ni ngumu. Tuko na hii fair value gap kwa 15 minutes. So kwa 5 minutes tuko na hii order block. Na hapa level, hapa hii level price ilikuwa imeaccumulate. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Haipati kuna madenge, jitete, sijawe. Hiyo ni nice. Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This serious. Serious, serious. Jitete. Jitete. Bana jo. Odorek, hii ni kama CTJF. But acha tuone. Utakuona ikitrade above level. So ikitrade above level tuone. Above this hii order block ndogo hii. Tuone kama inaweza rudi kwa hii fair value gap, then juu kama ni TJF then hii fair value gap hapa juu haifai kujia. Ikikujia then hiyo si TJF. Minutes pia kuna fair value gap mbili. Yenyewe imesonga kusonga. So every hope is on this in first presented fair value gap. So I believe EC breaker, this low, this high, low, lower, low, higher, high. I want to believe EC breaker. So we've closed above that price level. So if it can trade back into this, so hiyo level imehold. So next one, can it do this for me? So can it leave this fair value gap unfilled and just go higher into this? Can it trade into this? So if we break above this level, then this target still you're looking for shorts. No. If we can break above this level, then this is my level huko juu, still valid. So I'll just take this was a protraction model. So what told me that this was not I didn't like any short, to go short, was the fact that we struggled around this level, this red level. So you guys saw me highlight this. So the way we struggle, and then we stayed above this. Yeah. So hiyo tu. So sikuwa na trusty move. So So if you want to trade the TJF, kuja tuji usiku wa manane, saa 3 saa 4:30. Yeah, so nilisema nitatoka by 11:30. Yeah, ndio hadi 11:30. 11:30 imehappen hapa. Yeah, so ini 10:30, ini 1 hour extra. Still ijafika kwa target. Nimerudi tena. Nimeanza tena like kumove. So hii level watch. And itaweza cheza hapa ama tuiende. Ikiacha hii level open, then venye imeiacha hapa ikarudia hii, itupe hii order block. Hii tupe kama order block, then chafue juu. Hii hapa turudi kwa hii order block, hii hold. To be our order block. So we trade above this fair value gap, try to hold price, return into this order block. Remember, we've led this fair value gap hapa chini. We've only traded it to this, so I want to see. Okay, so imerudi tu kwa hiyo, but then still it might rudi huku chini. So that's allowed. Again, inaweza form another down close candle. That's still allowed. Yeah, so 3 minutes. So kwa 3 minutes bado tuko na hii fair value gap hapa chini pia, na tuko na hii hapa, hii IFVG. So hii IFVG, but nataka hii close, maybe candle close, hii close hapa juu, hata kama itakuwa ina close yote, but hii next candle, like the fact that imetupea hii down close candle, so hii hapa tu draw, kisha draw to close huko juu, of which si lazima ifanyike, but that's what you want to see. Kidogo kuna kitu hapa, something really pressing hapa chini. So hiyo level, yes, wicks zinaweza fanya hivyo. So 5 minutes imerudia if ya value gap ya IFVG, imetoa buy side. So bulanda no. So the fact that imerudia level, then staki. Yeah, so hizo nani, watu wenye walikuwa kwa hizo mashorts, mpambane nayo. For me, I'm done for the day. Yeah, imenikula akili. So kama miss hizi entry zote, once we trade below it, unaweza look for setup zako once we trade below this. can look to go short. Nimesema once we go below this. Nimechoka wadau. Hii price haifanyi vitu zenye nataka, so majamaa mpambane nayo sasa. Mimi nimechoka sasa. But all in all, for these levels uko juu. For those levels uko juu. So yeah, so again imerudi kwa hii fair value gap ya juu, imetrade above tena. So hii level nimemark na red, imetrade tu kwa juu yake. Yes, inaweza trade hadi huko chini, but then the fact that imedraw deep, so inafaa kama it's to go higher, then inafaa iende with speed, distance, large candles huko juu, chape hii level like nilikuwa nimemark na hiyo 4H fair value gap. Then from there ndo tuanze kujudge, tuanze kuangalia kama tutakuwa na TGIF. Yeah, but for now nimechoka, imenikula akili sana, so taku log out. So thank you guys for tuning in, na kama like uja trade today, maze good work. But then kama ume trade na ume lose, yeah, you need to do better. Yeah, know when to push the buttons, and also know when not to push the buttons. Know when to sit on hands, you know. Yeah, so today we just tape reading. Yeah, and on such days you'll see such deeper protractions, okay? Such deeper protractions, but then still fine. So this is the level that has held price. This first presented fair value gap. Yeah, so I'm trusting this level to hold price. So that's why I'm saying if I want to go short, then we have to trade below this. That's when I can sacrifice going short. But for now, no. This pullback, it was just going low into this, but then still fine. 5 minutes we had this dirty price. So this pullback to imerudi kwa hii order block ama hii low high, low, so tume close above. So sijui, but then it's chafu, like you can't really know, okay? You can't really tell. Consolidation, return. I guess hii price like ina set market maker sell model. Kama like hiyo ndo kitu like nimeshinda nikijiambia throughout hii trade, imekuwa ikiform market maker sell model. Na market maker sell model, original consolidation, return into the original consolidation, alafu iform OTE ama reaccumulation, kitu kama hii, and then ngoje SMT. So SMT itakuwa, remember huko juu tuko na hiyo fair value gap ya 4H na tuko na nini tena, tuko na new week opening gap. Okay, so hiyo new week opening gap tumechora hizo quadrant zote, so tutakuwa tunaangalia venye na play kwa 25% level, of which 25% level ni hizi levels hapa. So kama kwa 1H ama nini itatupea fair value gap ama 15 minutes. Yeah, so hiyo time frame yenye utakuwa imekupea fair value gap, hiyo ndo tumia kama bellwether chart yako. So hiyo fair value gap kama imetupea hiyo, utakuwa na kuframia setup yako. So angalia hiyo fair value gap, do we trade below it ama do we trade and close above the consequent encroachment ya hiyo fair value gap, then that's valid. Njua maybe inaweza continue juu nimesema leo kunaweza kuwa na large range day, maybe the largest, so maybe inaweza before you close, huwezi jua. Yeah, huwezi jua. So what happens ni mimi nimeshinda nikisema natoka na sioni nikitoka, so I guess tu itabidi nimetoka sasa. Kusoma price inakuanga supu. Yeah, so there's nice, that's acceptable. Premium, discount. So discount, premium. Still again kitu ilikuwa inatufanyia hapa, unakumbuka hapa tukisema itupe fair value gap hapa haikutupea, so ni same thing imetufanyia hapa tena, fair value gap ijatupea. So hapa tena until ikupea fair value gap inside this na close huko juu, then that's when you can trust that it will now take these highs and then finally huko juu. So it's just the same thing. So hii ni repetition, kitu ilifanya hapa ndo still inafanya hapa. So this fair value gap we've closed above, so the fact that hii hapa hii ni significant, this one here. So the fact that we've closed above, so this first can, so hii hapa hata ikirudi hapa jua like hii fair value gap ni valid until otherwise. Nimechoka maze guys, tupatane next week. 2 hours of just talking next week.